it implies that the object lost about 10% of its mass. If it is natural, a very significant amount of mass was lost. But if it is technological, not much, because in principle, a technological engine is burning fuel much more efficiently than a natural sublimation of pockets of ice. And then there is another technological signature that I think is most interesting for us to look into, and that is whether the object 3I Atlas is releasing much smaller objects, mini probes that go and visit planets like the Earth or Mars, and or
this is what we could do anyway with ourselves. This is how we will do it if we want to explore space.
Yeah, I mean, if this is a spacecraft, it's very massive. We're talking about a size of a city, and it costs a lot of energy to maneuver such a giant thing. So it makes much more sense if it's on a reconnaissance mission to release mini probes that would communicate with it and would visit various locations of interest. So if any object comes close to Earth, we should be able to see it. And I tasked the members of my research team to check data from the Galileo project observatories that may indicate enhanced activity of unidentified objects that were not here before. And the same, I think, should be done, and I encourage NASA to do that. Look for new objects near Mars, satellites of Mars that were not recognized before. And it would be, of course, a big item in the news if we happen to find these additional objects as a technological signature, because you wouldn't expect that from a rock. A rock can, if it's made of ice, if it's an iceberg, it could break up into pieces